What up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. I noticed that the goats were being a little bit picky about how they're eating their hay, so I wanted to make a little hay stand out of a bunch of material I just have laying around. We're going to be using 2 small pallets, a bunch of 2x4s, 2x6s, and this 2" by 4" fencing here. I'm hoping this will go really fast, so let's see how quickly we can do it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Really easy build. Hope you enjoy it. Please share, like, and subscribe, and visit my Instagram page for more pictures. Bye. What are you doing? Get out of there!